Hi guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to unbox and do a quick review of one of the best mid-range Android device in 2022, the Samsung Galaxy A53. Let's get started. First, let's check the box. What I've got here is the black version of the device. At the side, there's the Galaxy A53 5G logo. And as you can see, what I've got here is the 128GB internal storage with 6GB of RAM. Let's open this. Okay. So this is the actual device, and inside the box we also have the usual, some manual, and we don't have a power adapter. We only have here the charging cable, which is already USB-C to USB-C. This is the device. At the left side, there's nothing there. At the right side, you'll see here the volume control as well as the power button. At the bottom, we have the micro SD card slot as well as the SIM card tray, USB-C charging port, and the speaker grill. At the top, we only have one mic here. The side is made of plastic as well as the back. And you can see here the beautiful matte finish design, and as well as the camera bump here, they also improved the design. We have the 4 camera and 1 LED flash. For the spec, the screen size is 6.5 inches and the display is a Super AMOLED 120Hz refresh rate with maximum 800 nits of brightness. The resolution is 1080 by 2400 pixels with 405 ppi, and the front is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. For the chipset, it has the 5nm Exynos 1280. The CPU is octa-core and the GPU is Mali G68. This also has 128GB of internal storage and 6GB of RAM. The OS is Android 12, which is upgradable to Android 13 with One UI 5. The selfie camera here is a whopping 32 megapixel that can shoot also 4K at 30 FPS. We also have here the under-display optical fingerprint sensor. And the only downside that I can see for this device is it doesn't have now the 3.5mm headphone jack. And one of the best features is this is now an IP67 dust and water resistant device. It can survive up to 1 meter of water for 30 minutes. A really good feature for a mid-range phone. For the main camera, the wide lens is 64 megapixel, which also has optical image stabilization. We also have the ultra-wide 12 megapixel camera, 5 megapixel macro camera, and 5 megapixel portrait camera. And finally, for the battery, it has a big 5000 milliamperes of battery that can make this device last for 1 day. And it also supports 25 watts fast charging. There you go, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more tech videos, and see you in the next one.